Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic how to concat operations in data frames. Suppose we have two data frames and we want to merge these two data frames. So how to do this we will discuss in this data frame and this slide. So, Panda provides various facilities for easy combining together series and data frame. You can combine both series as well as data frames. So, the syntax for to combine the data frame is pd.concat ob objects. This is the objects. It can be a data frame or series. Then axis, along which axis you want to join is outer or inner, axis equal to none, ignore index equal to false. These are all parameters or arguments to concat function. We will discuss each argument in the coming slides. So object is what? Basically it may be a series or data frame. Axis may be 0 or 1. You know that 0, this is the 0th axis and this one is axis 1. Join may be inner or outer. What is the meaning of inner or outer? If you do not specify, it will consider outer join. We will discuss each type of join also. Ignore index is by default it is false. If true, do not use the index value on the concatenation axis. If we write true, we need not to write the index values. Re-indexing will be labeled 0 and 1, 2, 3 and so on. Join axis, this is the list of index objects. Specify the indexes to indexes to use for the other n-1 axis instead of performing inner or outer join. Join axis, along which join axis we want to join these data frames, that also we will discuss. So what is the basic use? Concat is a function. Basically it is a function. Concat is a function which perform concatenation operation. Concatenation means combining two data frames or series along an axis. Now in this slide you see this is simple import statement. This is one dictionary. This is key of the dictionary and these are the values for the this particular key. So id is basically key, id is basically key, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are values for this particular key. This particular key is having a list of values. Similarly, dictionary 2 is there. We have created two data frames, df1 and df2, from these two dictionaries. Now this line number 8 is important. Using this we are creating df3 means we are going to create a new data frame, and what will be the result? It will combine data frame 1 and 2. It will combine data frame 1 and 2. So how the concatenation will take place or combination will take place? Here it is. See, up to this point, see, data frame 1 was having values from 1 to 5 and id was the key, and values were a b c d e f g. So you see this is data frame 1 up to this frame, data frame 1, this is data frame 2. As we have combined, not given the axis here, so default axis is 0 is considered. So 0 is, this one is 0th index, so it is combined. This is data frame 2, this is data frame 1, so both these are combined along